holder. It's like I don't know how to explain it to y'all, bro. But I understand. Anyway, we're gonna go in the card shop because that's what this whoa, why are these cards so expensive though? Hey yo. Oh shit. But yeah, look at this shit, man. Why are these cards so expensive? We gotta edit the card price. Y'all know we gotta do it on every site. We're gonna start with $20. Oh shit, they went instantly to $4 cards, y'all. Well, y'all, shit, I might be using this site. I like these prices. Shit. I might start using this site again. Y'all I like these. Like these sites. Did you do the Klarna glitch? Yes, bruh. I did the Klarna glitch, bruh. If y'all want the Klarna method, bruh, it's $100 in my Telegram. I need to add that, bruh, because that method is dumb easy. Do you get in trouble with linkables? No, bro. I've never got in trouble with linkables personally. I was using my main Apple Pay. See what why when I was in high school, I was getting linkables, linking them up to my main Apple Pay. It's like, bruh, I don't know what I was doing. So all my fast forward right now, all my Apple Pay is shut down. If I do want to hit linkable cards, you feel me? I could just buy a brand new iPhone because I know a Walmart method where I can get phones and return them. Like I talk about it in all my videos. Where's that? You trying to swipe that a bit? Oh hell yeah! What bank this is? Oh, this is a prepaid twin. So with the prepaids is like, so with the prepaids is like, them are not CCs. Prepaids is like gift cards. So like you pay a one-time fee and money get put on the card. You feel me? So this could be banks also issue prepaids. Like you can pay a one-time fee and they give you a prepaid card. You feel me? But you can't hit these. These are easier to hit, but they most of the time have lower balances than normal CC. So you have a risk of it declining based off of just the balance. But I feel like you could hit this. What you need though? Like,
Shit, I don't know, twin. I gotta run some ads on my shit, bro.
oh, you trying to use divots?
I
Twin.
really got you the CC for it.
I mean, like if you trying to do the ad shit, it's like you got when you put the CC on Google Pay, it's like sometimes it asks for verification
Yeah.
for the CC. So it's like if it do that, then the CC is cooked. Like you can't use it for ads. But what I would recommend if you want to use this bitch for ads, go to Google Pay, go to Google.com and go to your payment methods, add it as a payment method under your shit and let it sit, see if it says verify or not.